G'day guys, this is my 2013 VF Commodore Ssv Redline, 6-speed manual, cammed, lowered, rapiers, all the usual stuff. One thing I really hated about this, well not hate, but I don't like about this car is the Holden mine link. Absolute, it's just garbage. It's fucking, don't like it. So I went and bought one of those 10.5 inch touchscreens, the premium ones from Holdcom Auto Parts. I wanted it to be keep it sort of factory. I could have went with the 9 inch, but this thing looks pretty tough. Some of you might know what I'm talking about, some of you might have it, I don't know. But I thought I'd make a video unboxing and a little bit of the installation as well. I've never done one before, but I used to have a car audio installation business, Adams Car Audio, so I've done thousands, hundreds of thousands of head units in my time. Obviously the Redline has got the Bose system in it, so I think it's not going to be as straightforward as the other ones. But if I'm correct in what I'm thinking, it should be as simple as connecting the remote wire to the loom. So hopefully that's all it is. If not, worst case scenario, I'll go buy an amp kit, put a 4-channel amp in there, and because I'm going to replace the speakers as well. That's one thing that's really not that good, is the speakers. So I'll probably go get some later today. Air Pro. Shit. How about this? What have we got here? Install kit. Premium replacement. 10.5 inch version. The box looks alright. Come on, open up. Oh yeah, the tops comes off, does it? What else we got in here? Oh yeah, bit of merch. They're not very good, they're all popped. Yeah, she is. And that's it. So it basically goes all pretty much, all the way to the air vents. It looks nice though. Jeez, it's not very big, is it? Anyways, I've never paid this much for a head unit in my life, for any car I've ever owned. This is 3 times as much as it. This is $1,500, this unit. So it better be good. Anyways, I'll see you in a bit when I've got the other head unit out. So here we have everything unboxed. Got your mounting brackets, fascia kit, the unit. Got some USBs, an antenna, a GPS antenna, the RCA outputs. What else have we got here? Antenna adapter, CAN bus, steering wheel control harness, main loom, ISO harness. That's pretty much it. Now apparently they reckon that it retains all your factory features and all of that stuff, but as I said, mine's Bose, so hopefully I don't pull the head unit off and something like it's got a different plug, I'll be losing it. But anyways, I'll be back. She's a bit old, but it's probably never been out this head unit, so they're a little bit stiff. Alright, that's the head unit out. I guess I better go and have a quick read of that manual before I start plugging everything in and putting the fascia kit together and all of that. Alright, that was a bit more tedious than I was expecting to get that all together. The old ones here. Oh man, these buttons don't feel very good quality. That one there I think might even not even be good. Fuck's sake. Look at the, like, what you got to work with in there. Those brackets, you got to bend them. You know, I had to put my own screws in there, pop rivet each side. I mean, it's on straight. I don't know. Ah, it looks alright. I'm just worried about that. That button. Fuck, that button's about to fall apart. It's getting there. I've got it in, it works and all that. I've just got to program everything, put it back together. In between that, doing that, I had to go pick my daughter up from school. So I took the scooter down there, picked her up. And I'm in there tinkering and that, like getting it working. I get it out the car. Yep. GPS antenna stuck to the bonnet. Like, what the fuck? What's wrong with this fucking kid sometimes, man? Look, fucking Fucking hell, man, that's 3M tape. No, I'm gonna have to use a heat gun to get that off. Anyways, I'll see you shortly. Alright, so I got it all in, all working, reverse camera, steering wheel controls, all that works. Just messing around with it a bit. I went and got new splits for the front today as well, and sound deadening. Because that speaker, as some of you people know with these, the VF Commodore, you take them out and there's rusted, they're buggered. And to be honest, like, it might sound a bit silly, but I've had this car since October. That speaker was missing altogether. So that would explain why it wasn't working. But yeah, it's a pretty good unit. I'm happy with it. Go to Carlink 2.0 for Android Auto. So you got Waze here. All the Android Auto. Sort of everything really. You know, you got everything, Google, Play Store, apps, a lot. And it's like the buttons and all that the same, you know, as your AC buttons, which is cool. The only thing I'm thinking though is rather I need to have the top tilted out, you know what I mean, so it's a bit flatter. I've got it sort of flush with the dash. Yeah, I can even, like, you know, even watch the cameras around my house while I'm driving and stuff if I want to. That's strange, I don't know what's doing that. Yeah, so I didn't get the harness for the front camera though, for some reason. What else? I sort of want to connect that to the DVR, but I didn't get the harness for that either. I might have to ring him up, see if I can do that. But you know, Wi-Fi on. Should connect to my, yeah, it's connected to my house. That's probably why that wasn't working. Got the VPN on there. Here we go. See what my kids are up to. Oh, my young lad was having a go on the jolly jumper. It seems like he's gotten off it now. It's controlling the cameras inside the house. Oh, look, there's my daughter. Racing simulator. Yeah. Not bad. What else have we got here? Oh, switched off. Oh, well, anyways, you just get the point. But yeah, retain the USB. That lead was there, got that. Reverse camera works. Steering wheel controls were easy to connect. And yeah, and so this was the factory Bose premium sound. All I really did was, obviously I grounded the handbrake wire. That's about it really. I didn't really have to do anything with the harness for the sound to work, which I thought I might have to, you know, change a remote wire, change pins on the harness, you know, to get it to power the amp up, but it all works properly. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I would have showed a video of me like putting it in, but it was, you know, it was... Anyway guys, I hope you liked the video. Young fella, watching cars. You watching cars in the car? Yeah, so I got it from, where is it? Holden Auto Parts. There's the logo there. They're in Western Australia, in Perth. And they've got a few, like a couple different ones, but this is the top of the line, the premium one. 10.5 inch, or you can get the factory look. But we like the big one, don't we, brother? Hey? Hey? You watching cars in the car? Right, for you watching and that, thanks for watching, and take it easy.